So here we are at EcoVolt, and today we're just going through a few of the additional features that are on the JS10 2 control panel. And some additional features are just some icons changes, which we previously would have had a house here, and 1 to 8 was actually a symbol of a house. The screen is now changed to 1 to 7 is a symbol of a radiator, and number 8 is the symbol is of a tap. 1 to 7 is basically radiators that can be paired to the JS10 2, and number 8 is a hot water control device to control hot water. Another feature that we've added in is the boost facility, and here we have the plus hour button, and this will basically boost the heaters that are paired to it. So it doesn't boost the hot water, it only boosts the heaters, which is 1 to 7 as on the previous screen. So to boost the heater, you just press the boost button. It'll ask you to modify the mode and you'll press OK. And up here will give you an indication of how long the boost is going to last. Now this can be between 30 minutes to 180 minutes. And you can actually just choose by simply pressing the plus and the minus here. And what we would have here is, when we go back to the main screen, after pressing the boost, you will see that this sun symbol has appeared, which is your comfort heating. So all the heaters have now boosted for the 60 odd minutes that we've selected. And they're going to regulate on the thermostat, so what the room has actually, what the comfort level for the room, they will stay at that temperature. To remove the boost, you simply allow the time to elapse, or you can go back in and just change the mode. So we can go back and change the mode to our program, or we can change it to our economy heating by simply pressing that, modify the mode, and that's it done. So you can see that the sun symbol has disappeared, and the moon symbol, which is your economy heating, is now selected for the heaters. Another thing that we need to show you is actually the temperatures of an actual heater. Selecting the actual temperature and accepting the command, the change of temperature, is when we go into our menu for that heater, you can see our temperature change. And this heater is set for 21 degrees for our comfort, and our economy is set for 18. Now these are the factory settings that come with the JS10 2, and it's here where you actually select and change the temperature. So let's say I want the comfort to be at 20 degrees, I'll drop it down to 20, and I want the economy to be down to 12 degrees. I'd select 12 degrees here. And once I've done that, I'll apply. And now you'll see I need to just do one more thing, and that's go into mode and press any of these buttons here, and that will actually save the command. So it's very important that once you change the selections in the menu screen, you come back out and you press the mode to accept your changes. Once again, I'll show you again. So we go menu, temperature. If I want to change this to 21 degrees, I'll apply, press mode and accept. And that's it saved. That's the additional features that have been added to the JS10 2, which are now shown on version 2 of the support video. Thanks for watching.